Hi everyone, my name is Neeraj Kumar. I'm a soft skills as well as a digital marketing trainer. Currently, I have been associated with President's University as a soft skills faculty in the Department of Learning and Development. Basically, I belong to Ranchi, Jharkhand. I have done my schooling, college, my MBA from there itself. I have got almost 12 years of experience in the field of soft skills training, personality development training, digital marketing, and English language training. Being a trainer, I got opportunities to visit across India for my training assignment. I have given training at different levels, such as schools, colleges, institutions, and some of the corporates. My specialization of training deals with the core soft skills training, where I talk about communication skills, interpersonal skills, behavioral skills, leadership skills, time management and team management skills, etc. In terms of personality development training, I do deal with some of the personality theories, such as SWOT analysis, Johari window, and transaction analysis. I also deal with some of the personality traits. Now let's talk about the digital marketing domain. There I do provide training on core digital marketing, where I talk about search engine optimization, social media marketing in detail. I also talk about how to handle Google AdWords, Google AdSense, and Google My Business account. And I also cover some of these e-commerce portals like Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, etc., how to handle that. Now let's talk about my interest. I do have interest in exploring myself into different domains. In these days, I have been trying to learn video editing things. And for that, I have downloaded few apps and I'm learning a lot from that. Apart from that interest, I also do have interest in dancing, which I really enjoy. I do dance whenever I get a free time to dance. So this was my introduction. I would love to work with your organization because I know I would get certain kind of opportunities where I can put my productivity, which can result in bringing out the productivity for the organization. Thank you so much. Eagerly waiting for your reply. Bye.